If you're making a high performance PC for your day-to-day job, or if you're making a high performance PC from your gaming need, then definitely you go with the AMD Ryzen processor or Intel high-end processor. But the moment you power on the PC, that's fine. You get all this RGB light. If you install these fans and that, this is beautiful lights you see on back and forth. But the moment you see the screen, on the screen you see this a message. It says that new CPU install, fTPM/PSP NV corrupted, or fTPMPSP NV structure change. But don't worry about that. We have a solution for that. But many people press N, and the moment you press the N, it goes to the BIOS information, right, and show you all the BIOS information. But this is not going to solve your problem. So all you need to do is just reboot your system and then press yes. This means Y. The moment you press the Y, then you see this all the Windows screen on your system, and then kind of proceed with the installation.